Hi, my name is Nathan with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rating printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free label on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for a free printer upgrade, contact us today. We are here for all of your printers and office supplies needs. Today we're going to look at this HP OfficeJet Pro 8715. The problem that they're having is when using the document feeder, they're having lines and smears on the pages. So how we're going to deal with this, we're going to open it up. And if you notice that there's actually two glass pieces. This one is for the document feeding, this one is for the scanning bay. And what we're going to do is clean this. We're going to use a lint-free rag and glass cleaner. We're going to put the glass cleaner directly on the rag, not the printer itself. And we're just going to clean it off. Once it looks nice and clean, we're going to close it back up. And we're going to run test pages through the document feeder to make sure that there's no lines or smudges on the copies. If there are lines or smudges on the copies, then you're going to want to open it up, clean it again until you're happy with the results.